What is up, guys? Welcome to a new video. So today's video, we're gonna be working on my girl's Prelude. About to take the Prelude over to my boy's house and the seats that she bought, since my boy has to weld the rails on it. And yeah, so about to load it up right now. I have the car back there, the seats over here. I'm gonna take one seat, show you guys what seats she got since I haven't showed them. The harnesses in the bag right now. Just leave it on the floor. But I mean, I'll give you guys a better look at them over there. I don't feel like unwrapping them. But they are NRG. And then the rail that we are going to be using is over here. Has a rail. I mean, it has the sliders on it, so hopefully we can make it work. Because these are the side bolted rails that it has right now, and those aren't going to work. So hopefully we can make it work. So I'll start recording once I get to my boy's house. Alright, just put up to my boy Carlos's house. We're about to pull off the seat so we could kind of see an idea of how we're gonna put the seat on, try to get it as straight as possible. And so the way we're thinking is we're about to basically get like a piece of metal from here all the way here, and then weld this guy, or weld that piece and probably just bolt the sliders down, and that should work. Give you a better idea once we're doing it. But right now we're about to pull the seat out. We got the dope drift build over here. Look at this. My boy Carlos's car. Well, brother's car. Fucking drift god over here. Feel me? Where's yours at? On the side? Oh, he has another drift car over there on the side of his house. His dog will kill me. His dog don't like me. He started barking at me, bro, the other day. Yeah. Your brother put him in the cage and tried to touch him. He was just like, yeah. But yeah, this shit's wet. Maybe one day we'll get a ride along when he makes a street, when he tags it up. Bro, let's take the seat off. Grinding all the paint off. So while he does that, I'm gonna show you guys what the plan is. Basically, we're gonna weld from here onto the side of the slider, and it should work. So we're gonna put like a metal bar here and then mount the slider here, but the seat would sit way too high. So we're just gonna weld from this side onto this side, and it should work. So we'll see how it turns out. But these are the seats, the NRG. It's pretty clean, all suede. It looks badass. With the harnesses she has too, it's about to pop with that pink. That shit all tacked up. Hell yeah. We already test fitted it. Everything was cool. We did have to cut a little bit on this side to get it to fit. But it's cool. He's about to finish it off. We're gonna be Gucci. Finishing up the welds on that thing. See what these truckers are doing over here. What you putting over here, boy?
Listen here, it's a fucking Dirty Max diesel song bitch over here, 6.6. Just kidding, it's a piece of shit 6.0. Don't buy it. If you're gonna buy a truck, don't buy a gas truck.
All right, man. So what they're doing right now is they're putting a turbo with this jigger bob. It's about to make 800 horsepower. He says it's gonna be the fastest truck in the Bay Area. Isn't that right?
We'll race for pinks if you want to.
Okay, with the Cletus McFarland merch. You're his cousin, huh? Yep. Alright, we took the bracket off so they could get a little better. We're about to flip it over too, but that's how it's looking so far. Well, it's coming out clean. It shouldn't come off right there, but just to be safe, we're gonna flip them around and weld to both sides.
I'll let you weld the other side right now.
Alright,
Yeah,
I'm about to weld the other side. See how it comes out. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. Weld through the metal.
Yeah, I done that shit. That's what I used to do all
bro.
the time.
That shit.
That shit used to be hella hard.
Alright, so my boy Carlos is about to let me lay some beads on this. No, I'm kind of new to welding. So, I mean, I don't really know how to weld, so let's see how I do. Wait, this side right there.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, ground that shit.
How does it look, Carlos?
Let's see. Damn, fucking better than mine.
Get your ass up.
With the chanclas.
Hey, bro. Show my toes, man. Zoom in on the welds. These are the ones I did. That one I kind of went overboard with it. And that. Not too bad. But I throw some paint once he cleans up the welds. Fucking looks like it came like this. He got down with that. Alright, what is up guys? It's the next day. So we did finish up the seat yesterday and we got it all installed. So let me show you guys right now. So it's all bolted in there. It's pretty sturdy. So today we're gonna probably be putting on the harness and we're gonna be putting that quick release that she got. So I'll show you guys how the steering wheel looks right now actually. Then yeah, that's probably what we're all gonna do today. But I'm really glad how all the welding and stuff came out. Carlos did a pretty good job. Well, a damn good job. And yeah, so we got the NRG right here. Show you guys how this is gonna look. Oh shit, open it backwards. But there we go. She got that. Looks pretty dope. Suede on the grip right here, all suede all around. So that's pretty cool. So let me get these harnesses out and I'm gonna show you guys where to bolt them down to. We don't have a harness bar, so we're gonna bolt them down to where the seat belts were on, and that's how I have my Integra. So it works. It's not the best way, but it works. So let me get these installed. All right guys, so we got the seat belts on and let's check them out. Well, I mean harnesses, but you know what I mean. There we go. Those are the ones she went with. Cypher, they're called. Cypher, something like that. But yeah, they're pretty cool. They have like a date right there, so I'm pretty sure these are good for the track. And yeah, so I just went off the hole right here where the seatbelt was at, and then there's one on the actual bracket, and then the two rear ones right there. Boom and boom. Screw them in, and I tighten them with an extension. Just put it through the hole, and you know, tighten them up. So next is the steering wheel. Sorry for that annoying noise. Close the door. But next is the steering wheel that we're about to install. Alright guys, so it got kind of dark, but we did finish installing the steering wheel. They didn't really show how to install the steering wheel. There's plenty of videos on YouTube on how to install it, so that's why I didn't make one. But this is how it looks. Right, well, she has a blue light, that's how we got the car. But that's the steering wheel. Looks pretty badass with that light. But yeah, it's all good. Solid. And then we got this, the harnesses like that with the seat. Dang, that light really makes everything pop. That light's pretty cool actually. I thought it was kind of ricer, but it looks pretty cool. Hell yeah. Well, yeah, guys, that's basically all we're gonna do to the car. Shit, the gun. But yeah, that's about it. Expect more, and maybe, I don't know what's next on the car, to be honest. Probably maybe headers or something, and well, paint job. She said, why are you being shy? She's still hella shy, but probably paint job, body work is next, and teaching her how to drive a little better. She's been kind of learning. But all right, guys, that's it for this video. So till the next one, everyone have a good day. Deuces.